Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 2x power 2 and divide by 4x minus 1, this is equals to 1. Here we will find out the value of x. The given question is x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 2x power 2 and divide by 4x minus 1, this is equals to 1. If we multiplied both sides, 4x minus 1, and here if we multiplied both sides 4x minus 1, then this 4x minus 1 and this 4x minus 1 is cancelled out. Then x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 2x power 2, this is equals to, this 1 is multiplied by 4x minus 1, then expression is not changed, then here 4x minus 1. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 2x power 2, and this 4x if we take in left hand side, then this is minus 4x, and this minus 1 if we take in left hand side, then this is plus 1, and this is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 is not solution of this expression. If we divide both sides x square, then here if we divide by x square, if we divide by x square, then here if we divide by x square, divide by x square and divide by x square. If we divide x power 4 is divided by x power 2, then we get x power 2 plus 4 times x power 3 is divided by x power 2, then we get 4 times x plus x square, and this x square is cancelled out, then here 2 minus 4 times x is divided by x power 2, then we get 4 divided by x plus 1 over x square, and this is equals to 0. Here x square and plus 1 over x square plus 1 over x square plus 4x minus 4 over x, 4x minus 4 over x plus 2, and this is equals to 0. X square plus 1 over x square plus, here if we take common 4, then x minus 1 over x plus 2, and this is equals to 0. X square plus 1 over x square, x minus 1 over x. If we substitute x minus 1 over x, this is equals to t. X minus 1 over x, this is equals to t. Then if we take square both side, then x minus 1 over x, this is equals to t. Then here square and here square. In left hand side we will apply a minus b whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. If we apply this rule here, then x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 times a, that is x, and b, that is 1 over x, and this is equals to t square. Then this x and this x is cancelled out, then here x square plus 1 over x square. This minus if we take in left hand side to right hand side, then this is plus 2, then here t square plus 2. Now the given expression is this x square plus 1 over x square is replaced by t square plus 2 plus 4 times x minus 1 over x is replaced by t plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here t square plus 4 times t plus 2 plus 2, that is 4, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. T square plus 4t plus 4, this is equals to 0. Here this expression is same as t plus 2 whole square, and this is equals to 0, because students, if you expand t plus 2 whole power 2, then we get t square plus 4t plus 4, and we know that if a square is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. Then here we can say if t plus 2 whole square, this is equals to 0, this implies t plus 2 and this is equals to 0. Then here value of t is minus 2. Now we know that t is x minus 1 over x. So this t is replaced by x minus 1 over x. This is equals to minus 2. If we multiplied both side x, then in left hand side this x is multiplied by x, then here x is square, and this x is multiplied by minus 1 over x, then we get minus 1, and here minus 2x. If we take in left hand side, then this is plus 2x and this is equals to 0. Now x square plus 2x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here this is quadratic equation and we will find out the value of x by using quadratic formula. Here value of a is 1, value of b is 2 and value of c is minus 1. Then we know that the quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X is equals to minus b is replaced by 2, then here 2 plus minus square root of b square, that is 2 square minus 4 times a, that is 1, and c, that is minus 1, then divided by 2a. Then x is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square, that is 4, and minus 4 is multiplied by minus 1, then we get plus 4 and divided by 2a. And here this a is replaced by 1. Then in left hand side x is equals to minus 2 plus minus here square root of 4 plus 4, that is square root of 8, and square root of 8 is same as 2 times square root of 2. Now here this is square root of 8. Look carefully, this is square root of 8 and we know that square root of 8 is same as 2 times square root of 2. Then here 2 times square root of 2 divided by 2. Now x is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 2 is divided by 2. This is same as minus 2 divided by 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 2 divided by 2. Then this 2 is divided by 2, then we get minus 1. And this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 2. Here value of x is minus 1 plus square root of 2 and x is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 2. Here we have two solutions. Students, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.